How to find exported videos from CapCut PC. So if you want to find the exported videos from CapCut PC, then first launch your CapCut PC application, and then you just need to go for a create project. Under create project, if you choose and import something, like for example, I'll be choosing an image. So once you've choose the image, now you need to simply go for export, which is on the upper right. Once you click on export, now here you will have the export location. So you just need to simply go for the location, click on it, and it will give you the interface where it will be saved. So in my case, it's saved to the volume E or the disk E. So you just need to simply choose another location if you want to, and then go for select folder. Or you will have another step. What you need to do is you just need to simply click on export. Once you click on export, or once you've exported, here on the bottom left, you will have open folder option, right? Simply click on open folder. Once you click on it, here you will have the interface where the video has been saved. So that's how you can find the exported videos from CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.